Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you navigate the beauty world with expert insights and honest reviews. If you've got sensitive skin, you know how hard it can be to find products that truly calm and restore without irritating. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum, a lightweight, fragrance-free face serum that promises to soothe and fortify your skin's moisture barrier. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review. You deserve to know exactly what's worth your time and your skin. The Aveeno Calm Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum comes in a 1-ounce pump bottle designed for easy application. This serum is formulated with a triple oat complex, including oat flour, oat extract, and oat oil, all known for their skin-soothing properties. It also features calming feverfew, which is used to help reduce irritation and provide relief to sensitive skin. It's a non-comedogenic formula, which means it won't clog your pores, making it a good option for acne-prone skin too. Plus, it's hypoallergenic and free of fragrances, parabens, phthalates, dyes, and alcohols. Ideal for those with sensitive or easily irritated skin. The serum promises instant results, with 92% of users agreeing that their skin felt immediately smoother. After just one use, it claims to hydrate and restore the moisture barrier, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Now, how did it perform in real life? I've been using the Aveeno Calm Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum for a couple of weeks now, and I can confidently say this is one of the gentlest serums I've tried in a long time. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is a big plus for my sensitive skin. It feels hydrating, but not heavy, making it a great option for day-to-day use. During my testing, I applied the serum both morning and night after cleansing. In the morning, I noticed that my skin felt deeply hydrated and I didn't experience any irritation throughout the day. No redness or tightness, which is a win for me. At night, the serum worked wonderfully alongside my other skincare products, and by morning, my skin felt soft and plump. A quick note on the texture. It's a bit thinner than some other hydrating serums I've used, but still, it provides a nice layer of hydration. There's no fragrance to it, which is a huge relief for sensitive skin types, and it doesn't leave a sticky finish. It's fast absorbing, so there's no need to wait long before moving on to the next step in your routine. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight and fast absorbing formula. Instantly hydrates and smooths skin. Free of fragrances, parabens, phthalates, dyes, and alcohols. Ideal for sensitive skin, non-comedogenic. Convenient pump bottle for easy application. Dermatologist recommended brand. Cons: 1-ounce size might not last as long for daily use. The price might be slightly higher than other similar products on the market. When it comes to value for money, it's important to keep in mind the quality of ingredients and how they perform. Aveeno has a solid reputation for creating products that are gentle and effective, particularly for sensitive skin. And the Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum is no exception. The price is on the higher end, but the ingredients, especially the Triple Oat Complex, are top-notch. If you're looking for a calming serum that's going to soothe and hydrate, it's worth considering, especially if you struggle with sensitive skin. Comparing it to other products on the market, you might find some hydrating serums at a lower price point. However, the fact that Aveeno uses calming ingredients like feverfew and oat, plus their commitment to sensitive skin formulas, gives this serum an edge. If you're on a budget, there are alternatives like The Ordinary's hyaluronic acid serum, which also provides great hydration, though it lacks the added calming ingredients that Aveeno offers. In terms of build quality, the packaging is straightforward but effective. The pump design is user-friendly, which is important when it comes to dispensing the right amount of product without waste. As for longevity, a little goes a long way, and with daily use, the 1-ounce bottle should last for a few weeks, depending on your application. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you've ever had to deal with skin that's easily irritated or prone to dryness, you know how important it is to find the right product. Aveeno's Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum has definitely earned its place in my routine. It hydrates without any irritation, so it's a great pick for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to restore their moisture barrier. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button so we can keep bringing you more product reviews on Beautyistic. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.